Good morning. We are from Senok Trade Combine and we are today at the Colombo Motor Show. Colombo Motor Show will happen from the 21st through till the 23rd at BMICH. And from today onwards, our vehicles from the brands FOTON and also Great Wall will be on display. From Great Wall Motors, we have the Jolion, right? And then from FOTON, we have the CS2 and the FOTON Tunlan G7. Also, we have the upcoming POA from Great Wall Motors. So as you know, FOTON and Great Wall vehicles are assembled proudly in Sri Lanka at our world-class assembly line, which is at Kuliapitia. We are rest assured of the best quality possible, for you to use as your daily mobility solution. Our sales team from both brands will be more than glad to give you information as well as information on the special offers which will only be available these 3 days here. All these vehicles have a special price if you are making a reservation through the motor show. So we want you to come and experience our vehicles, make your orders so that you could get the best possible rates. Rest assured the prices will go up more than that, but still, even with the lower prices, we are giving you special offers on all models. Thank you. We are waiting for you.